Welcome everyone back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. Get Your Guide has sold more than 45 million tours across the world, 170 countries, announcing that they will expand into the United States using Dogecoin. Now, this is amazing because if this travel agency starts collecting cryptocurrency, imagine the ripple effect it will have down the road with plane service, hotels, and other travel agencies that'll start collecting not only Bitcoin or accepting not only Dogecoin but Bitcoin as well. And this just creates better outcome for people investing in cryptocurrency, not only to use the US dollar, but crypto itself. So I'm just amazed at how crypto has trumped the world, because they had another article I was reading today how most millennials now are investing in crypto instead of stocks, and they're making way more money in crypto than they would have in stocks, which is true from what my experience was and still is now. I'm making more money passive income in my crypto staking than I am in my stocks. That is crazy. But if you don't innovate, you're going to die off. So, since early 2020, people have spent inordinate amount of time indoors because of the pandemic. And no, I cannot edit these videos. I'm shooting straight hip to you. So if I mess up on words or anything, it's okay. I'm human. I always mess up on names. I'm so bad with names. If you've seen some of my older videos, I am terrible when it comes to names. It's all good as long as you get the message and we share it with each other. Information on here. I get a lot of comments, so thank you guys for being here. Anyway, we are beyond excited to invite Americans to safely rediscover unforgettable experiences. This is from the CEO of Get Your Guide. You guys, make sure you have a safe, encrypted wallet. To store your cryptocurrency. Do not store it on these crypto exchanges, please. Hackers can get in there and wipe away everything you have. A lot of people don't know that. So if you're into Dogecoin, if you're into cryptocurrency, please look into getting a secure wallet. And I know there's other companies or other hotels. I know there was a hotel in Poland or Spain or somewhere that was accepting Cardano 88 as a form of payment. I'm so happy because most of my cryptocurrency is in Cardano 88. Let's see which companies are accepting cryptocurrency payments. Which companies are accepting cryptocurrency? Most companies are accepting Bitcoin. And I did make a video about El Salvador. They had signed a law accepting Bitcoin to whatever you want to buy, bananas, whatever. That is, oh my God, man. Just think about if you had a business, you're a barber or a laundromat, car wash. Swipe that card, you charging 20 Bitcoins or whatever it is. Get a car wash, man. I'm just so excited. Amazon needs to start accepting payments. That would be major if Amazon started accepting payments. So let me see if I can. Microsoft became an early adapter of Bitcoin in 2014. 10 major companies that accept Bitcoin. And you know what? I need to make a video on this. I don't even want to include all of this on here. So I'll go over some of it, but I'm going to make a video on this. Etsy, Starbucks, this and that. So you guys watch my next video. I'm going to make a video on the top 10 companies that accept Bitcoin. Coming soon, like now. See you guys next time. What do you think about this travel agency accepting cryptocurrency? This is a start to a major trend. Get your currency, get your crypto up, because these millennials know what's up and they are making a killing from cryptocurrency. See you guys next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel.